Process parameters. Various parameters that affect the ultrasonic machining are amplitude of vibration 15 to 50 microns, frequency of vibration 19 to 25 kilohertz, feed force related to tool dimensions, feed pressure, abrasive size, abrasive material, aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, boron carbide, boron silicon carbide, diamond, flow strength of the work material, flow strength of the tool material, contact area of the tool, volume concentration of abrasive in water slurry, tool, material of tool, shape of tool, amplitude of vibration, frequency of vibration, strength developed in tool, gap between tool and work material, material, impact strength of work material, surface, fatigue strength, abrasive hardness, size, shape and quantity of abrasive flow, slurry, liquid, chemical property, viscosity, flow rate, pressure, density. Process capabilities. Process capabilities of ultrasonic machining are: can machine the workpieces harder than 40 HRC to 60 HRC like carbides, ceramics, tungsten, glass that cannot be machined by conventional methods. Ultrasonic machining is not applicable to soft and ductile materials such as copper, lead, ductile steel and plastics which absorb energy by deformation. Tolerance range 7 to 25 microns. Holes up to 76 microns have been drilled. Hole depths up to 51 mm have been achieved easily. Hole depth of 152 mm deep is achieved by special flushing techniques. Aspect ratio 40:1 has been achieved. Linear material removal rate 0.025 to 25 mm per minute. Surface finish 0.25 micron to 0.75 micron. Non-directional surface texture is possible compared to conventional grinding. Radial overcut may be as low as 1.5 to 4 times the mean abrasive grain size. Pressure also has an effect on the material removal rate. Figure shows the effect of amplitude of vibration on material removal rate for different pressures. Amplitude in microns versus removal rate in terms of millimeter per minute at 4 different pressures: 0.2 megapascal, 0.16 megapascal, 0.10 megapascal and 0.04 megapascal. Effect of frequency on material removal rate. The frequency used for machining process must be the resonant frequency to obtain the greatest amplitude at the tool tip and thus achieve the maximum utilization of the acoustic system. With increase in the frequency of the tool head, the material removal rate should increase proportionally. However, there is a slight variation in the material removal rate with frequency. Material removal rate Q versus frequency V. Effect of abrasive grain size. Material removal rate should rise proportionately with the mean grain diameter. An increase in abrasive grain size results in higher material removal rate but poorer surface finish. Maximum material removal rate is achieved when the abrasive grain size is comparable with an amplitude of vibration of the tool. The hardness of the abrasives and method of introducing the slurry also has effect on material removal rate. Rate of ultrasonic machining millimeter per minute versus grit size in millimeters. The variation of metal removal rate for varying static load feed force is shown in figure. As the tool size decreases, the penetration also increases. Penetration millimeter per second versus static load for 3 different tool diameters of 6 mm, 12 mm and 38 mm. Effect of slurry, tool and work material. Material removal rate increases with slurry concentration. Slurry saturation occurs at 30 to 40% abrasive water mixture. The pressure with which the slurry is fed into the cutting zone affects material removal rate. In some cases, material removal rate can be increased even 10 times by supplying the slurry at increased pressure. Machining rate versus concentration of 30%. Apart from the process parameters, some physical properties, example viscosity of the fluid used for the slurry, also affects the material removal rate. Experiments show that material removal rate drops as viscosity increases. Relative material removal rate versus viscosity in terms of poise.